admissible. That's what I'm trying to get at. The text of the ECI has to be legally admissible, and it should not include something that is not admissible from a legal point of view. Let me make this clear. At the Commission, well, how should I put it? It's not just a club of friends. We have to look at how the Commission thinks, how the majority thinks when it comes to democracy and also when it comes to economic questions. Take a look at what is going on in Europe now. It's just the other. It's just the total opposite. And if you have a few people in the Commission who are closer to us, you must admit that we are far from having the Commission as a whole on our side. So if the Commission has a reason to reject this, they will do so. They won't say, okay, we can find something which would allow us to agree to it. They're going to look for something which will allow them to reject it. So I'm making it much more clear than I have in the past. I've always said this. Now, I am going to a level which I try to avoid because I think it's not appropriate when it comes to the tone. But I'm making this very, very clear. I really depend on this. I don't want us to be up against a wall. So I think we need to take this into account. I'll send it out again, and I'd be happy. I haven't done this yet, but this was an older text when this was a type of expert review. I can also come up with a proposal in the light of the text from the Commission on the 6th of September when they rejected it, and it won't be supported by the Parliament as a whole. No, we're far from that. And also the question of the convention, and with Hofstadt and with all of our colleagues in Parliament, we've been discussing this at length. But my problem here is that even colleagues who are close to us, who agree with us, they haven't been very talkative. They haven't said very much. We have a major crisis now in Europe. We don't just have the Commission and the Council and Member States and the ECB and the Eurogroup. We also have the Parliament, and the Parliament is not doing anything. I would like the Parliament to take on a major initiative and say that we have to arrive at a different policy in terms of economics and social aspects. We need more democracy in Europe. I've been trying and working on this ever since I joined the Parliament. In our Committee on Constitutional Questions, I am the coordinator of that group. We've managed to get the Parliament to make